Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I'm so excited to do another fun activity with you about farm animals. And today we're going to learn about farm animals and their babies. And so what you'll need is our fun farm animal baby paper. And if you don't have that, that's okay. Maybe you can draw the farm animal babies and I'll show you them. And that is it. So why don't we get started? So there are different farm animals, and farm animals, their moms have different names than what you would call the baby. And so I'm going to teach you those things. Alrighty, so our mom farm animals and our baby farm animals have different names, right? We call them different things. So our first one is going to be, what animal is this? It says oink, 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 oink. A pig, right? So the mama pig has a different name than the baby. So why don't you go on your paper? Let me show you the paper. Why don't you go on your paper and find the mama pig? She's going to be over here, right? And you're going to need a pencil because we're going to match it to the baby pig. But we're going to first learn the different name. Okay? So the name of let me get a marker. The name of our baby pig is called a piglet. Can you say piglet? So I want you to find your mama pig and we're gonna draw a line to the baby pig. And what was the baby pig called again? A piglet, right? So we're gonna draw a line to the mama pig all the way to the piglet, just like that. Let me show you. I bet you guys did it right. Just like that. Awesome. Okay, so our first farm animal was a pig. Now let's move on to our next farm animal, which is going to be, I'll give you a hint. They love to say moo. A cow, right? So our next farm animal is a cow. And remember, they've got different names. Their babies have different names. So find your mama cow up here. She's up at the top. And we are going to draw a line to the baby cow. So let's put our finger on the mama cow. And a baby cow is called a calf. Can you say calf? A calf. Awesome job, friends. So we're going to point to our mama cow. We're going to point to our mama cow, and we're going to do the same thing like we did with the pig and the piglet, right? We're going to find our mama cow, and we're going to go all the way down to our calf. It's right under the little baby chicken, and it has brown spots instead of black spots. And sometimes that happens. Sometimes they look different than the mama cow. We sometimes look different, maybe than our moms or dads. So let's draw a line from a cow all the way to the baby cow. And what was a baby cow called again? A calf, right? Awesome job, friends. So we did a pig and a piglet, and we just did a cow and a calf, right? So now our next animal, I think this is one of your favorite animals, friends. It's what it seemed like, is a horse. And a horse, let's find a horse on our paper. Can you tell me where the horse is at? Our horse is all the way down. It doesn't look like my fun figurine. It's a white horse. Remember, animals and people, we all look different. And just like our cow and just like our pig, a horse baby has a different name as well. And what a horse baby is called a foal. Can you say foal? So we're gonna put our finger on the bottom where our mama horse is, and we're gonna go up to the baby horse, which was called a foal, right? Remember how I said sometimes the babies can look different than the mama cat or the mama horse? So this baby fowl looks different than the mama horse, but we're still gonna match it. So put your finger down on the horse, and we're gonna go up and draw a line to the fowl. Can you guys say fowl again? Fowl, that is the name of a baby horse. Awesome job, friends. Now we have 3 animals and their babies, and we're gonna move on and do our next 3. Let me put my paper up here. Awesome job. We did a piglet, we did a calf, and a fowl, right? Our next fun animal that lives on a farm is a what? They say bah. A sheep, right? With their curly white hair. So let's find our sheep. Can you all point to the sheep on the paper? Where do you see it? Right underneath the cow, right? Point to your sheep. And we are going to find out that what you call a baby sheep. Now, let me see if you can guess it with my clue. There's a song that we sing, and it's about the baby sheep's friend named Mary, and Mary takes this animal everywhere she goes. What animal does Mary take wherever she goes? In the song that we sing sometimes, or we've read a book about her. A lamb, right? So a baby sheep is called a lamb. Isn't that kind of cool, friends? We sing songs about lambs, and we've read a book about a lamb, and that's what the baby sheep is called. So we're gonna put our finger on the sheep. She's right underneath the cow. And we're gonna go all the way down to the cute little lamb. Can you see her down there? Her fleece is white as snow. They both have very white fur, right? Okay, so let's draw a line. We're gonna go to the mama sheep. We're gonna draw a line all the way down to the lamb, just like that. Look at, we're filling up our paper. Our lines are getting all crisscrossed. Great job, friends, finding the mama animal and matching it to the baby. You guys are doing an awesome job. Alrighty, friends, we have a couple more baby animals that I would like to tell you about and what they are called. Next, we have a duck. Quack, 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 quack. And our duck, he's right here. Remember, different ducks. Well, some ducks look different than others, right? So, a duck right here, and here's our other duck, remember? They can look different. A duck, or a baby duck, is called a duckling. Can you say duckling? You can kind of hear the word duck in it. That'll help you remember. It's called a duckling. And remember, sometimes the babies look different than what the mama looks like. And that's what our duckling looks like down here. She looks different than her mama. So we're gonna find mama duck up here, and we're gonna draw a line down to the bottom where baby duckling's at, okay? So why don't you do that? Find your mama duck and draw a line down to duckling. Can you say duckling? Great job, friends. We're almost done. We have one more animal on our paper that we need to draw a line. So, our last one is right here. Do you know what it's called? The mama. She is called a hen. Can you say hen? And a hen is like a chicken, but you call the mama chicken a hen. A hen has a baby. And where do the babies first start living? Do they just come out of the mama's tummy? No, they live in an egg, right? So a baby, or a baby that comes from a hen, lives in an egg, and it lives in there, and it grows, and it cracks its shell, and it comes out, and it's called a, do you know what it's called? It's called a chick, right? Yep, chicks come out of eggs where the mama hen lays them. So we're gonna do our last line, and you guys have been super, super good and super smart. We're gonna draw our last line from the hen all the way up to the baby chick. So let's do it. Put our finger on the hen And we're gonna find the chicken, go up, boop. Look at that, friends. We have matched all of our baby farm animals to their mamas. Wasn't that fun? So let's go over what they were called. And let's see, I'm gonna put up the animal, the mama animal, and you're going to tell me what it's called, what the baby's called, okay? So what is a baby sheep called? Remember, we sing a song about it. Mary takes her everywhere. A lamb, right? Awesome job, friends. What is a baby pig called? A piglet. Great job. And what about a baby, quack, 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 a baby duck? Remember, you hear the word duck in it. Duckling, right? A baby duck is called a duckling. And what is a baby cow called? A calf. Yep, awesome job, friends. Two more. What is a baby horse called? A foal, right? Look at this beautiful horse. Remember, sometimes the babies look different than the mamas. And last but not least, what is a baby hen called? They come out of an egg. A chick, right? Awesome job, friends. Give yourselves a round of applause. You did so awesome remembering those baby names to those animals. And now, to finish off, I'm going to read a fun, quick story about baby animals down at the barn. So why don't you turn those listening ears on and we're going to get started. The name of our story that we're going to read about the farm and farm animals is called Down by the Barn. That's where animals live in. They live in a barn. And the author and illustrator is Will Hillenbrand. He wrote the book, and what does the illustrator do? They draw the pictures. So he did both. Remember, sometimes they do both. They draw and write the book. Let's get started. It says, down by the barn, early in the morning, see the little wagons in a row. There's their wagon. See the tractor drive, pull his little lever. Puff, 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 clink, 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 clink. Off we go. We're going down the hill. Down by the cows, early in the morning, see the little calf waiting to go. What kind of animal is a calf? It's a cow. Okay, so they see a calf. See the tractor pull his little lever. Puff, 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 clink, 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 moo, moo. Off we go. There's the mama and dada cow and their calf. Down by the chickens early in the morning, see the little chick waiting to go. So we said a chick was a baby, or it comes from a hen, right? Baby chicken. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, click, clank. Moo, moo, beep, 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 beep. Off we go. There they are. Down by the pigs, early in the morning, what did we call a baby pig? Do we remember? A piglet, right? See the little piglet waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Whoa, look at all those pigs. Puff, puff, clink, clink, moo, moo, beep, beep, wee, wee. Off we go. They are filling up that tractor pretty fast, huh? A lot of animals. Down by the geese, early in the morning. Ooh, we didn't learn this one. It wasn't on our paper. See the little gosling ready to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clank, moo, moo, peep, peep, wee, wee, honk, honk. Off we go. Do we know what this one is? Down by the sheep, early in the morning, what did we call a baby sheep? Here it is, a lamb. You're so right. See the little lamb waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clink, moo, moo, beep, beep, wee, wee, honk, honk, bat, bat, off we go. Whoa, they are filling up that tractor fast, friends. Oh, here's a new one that wasn't on our paper. Down by the goats early in the morning, see the little kid. Baby goats are called kids. Waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Whoa, let's see. Puff, puff, clink, clink, moo, moo. Beep, beep, wee, wee. Honk, honk, bat, bat, neigh, neigh. Off we go. What animal is this? A fox, a sneaky, mean fox. Uh-oh. Oh no, he was hiding. Splat! He got that bucket of water on his head. Not today, Mr. Fox. They're going on the tractor still. Down by the cats early in the morning, you might know what a baby cat's called. See the little kitten waiting to go. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clink, moo, moo, peep, peep, wee, wee, honk, honk, bat, bat, neigh, neigh, meow, meow, off we go. Ooh, what do you see here? A school bus? Oh, look at that little fox. He's still trying to get them with the bucket on his head. Down by the children's barn, early in the morning, see the baby animals exit in a row. See the tractor driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, clink, clink. Here at last. The kids from the school bus are coming to see the baby animals. How fun. There they are. They're all hanging out, reading a story, listening, just like you did. Great job, friends, with those awesome listening ears. So we remember that baby farm animals, or baby animals in general, have different names than what the mama would be called. And we have to remember that these baby animals need their mamas to live. Just like when we are little, we need our moms and dads to be able to grow big and strong. We need them to help us get us food and water, milk. And that's what the mama animals do for their babies. So we're kind of like them in that way, right? So we did a lot of fun things today. We read a story and we got to do a fun worksheet. Oops, let me grab it. We got to do a fun worksheet matching the mamas to their babies, and you guys did an awesome job with that. So I can't wait for next week for us to learn some new fun things about the farm for the month of May. I will talk to you all soon. Have a wonderful weekend, my friends. Bye.